up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Zandra and I'm a natural hair lover, a naturalista, but I also create other beauty related content and also lifestyle content. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I remove my butterfly locks and also a product that I'm trying out new. So it's like a product review all in one video. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do after protective style. Even though there is a new product that I'm using in today's video, I am accustomed to doing this when I do like a wash and go or removing a protective style, so it reduces breakage as I'm taking down my hair. So you guys are going to notice that I go section by section. I've already done 2 in the front, so I'm going to show you guys my process for doing this particular process. So if you came here for that video, stay tuned. Your girl is about to put you guys on of how to remove your butterfly locks, because I already showed you guys how to install it. Now we're going to show you how to remove it, and it's very, very simple. So let's get into how to remove these butterfly locks. So as you can see, your girl took out, most of her hair. So I left this little section here so I can demonstrate 2 times for you guys of how I remove these locks. So I have 2 left right here, right? So it's fully locked, right? So hold on, let me go grab my scissors, guys, because my scissors not even near me. Okay, guys, so I'm back and I have this first lock, right? So the way that you want to remove locks is you want to wrap in the opposite direction of where you wrapped. You want to unwrap opposite direction, and when you do that, it starts to expose the hair that you have underneath, right? So I can feel down in my hair and I can feel that my hair comes like about here. So you don't want to, this is a shortcut way. I'm going to show you guys 2 ways. This is the shortcut way. So you can chop off wherever you think your hair is. But if your hair was like all the way the length of this, you wouldn't want to do this, right? Because so you have to do the second technique. But my hair isn't that, it's not all the way down here in a shrunken state, because I did do this on natural hair of like not blow drying it or anything. So you're gonna unravel the twist right at the bottom and the top. So I have like a knot here. Yep, I had twisted a knot in this section right here. When you wrap it so many times, I wrapped it like 2 or 3 times, it's gonna be more difficult. So the more you wrap it, the more, not difficult, but the more it's time consuming it's gonna be to unwrap it. But when you cut the ends, it alleviates the stress you may get from trying to take it out. So my hair is starting to expose. I don't know if you guys can see this. As I'm wrapping it, my hair is starting to peek through, right? So that was easy. So now my hair is through. And I just pull it at the root and boom, my hair is out. So I'm gonna show you guys a different technique here without cutting the bottom. We have this part here. I'm gonna wrap in the opposite direction. So the opposite direction makes your hair expose as you keep doing it. So like for me, I can feel that my hair is up here, right? The start of it is up here. So I wanna try to feel it and get it out of this braid, out of this lock rather. So I see my hair is right here, but it's still in this lock at the ends. So I'm gonna keep wrapping in the opposite direction. Keep wrapping, keep wrapping. Starts to release some of the hair. And I found my hair. So my hair is right here. It's in that lock. So now we're gonna pull. And if you have resistance pulling, that means that your hair is already free from the lock. If your hair is shorter. So mine was already free. You see I have 2 separate areas. I have twist and I have the lock. We're gonna cut that part. And then we're gonna pull it through, right? So that's literally how simple it is, guys. Like it's super, super simple. So we got all our twists. A fun fact, guys, I cut off my hair in one of my areas, but you can't even tell. Like I cut it off on this twist here. See, it is even now. It's pretty much even now. So this part, I'm happy I cut it off actually because it was split ends. not split ends, but it was like a little bit of split ends at the end. So I'm like, now I have a blunt cut. But please be careful when you're removing your butterfly locks. Before I even get into the next portion of this video of what product I use to pre-shampoo my hair, of the review of this product, I will say, please be careful when you take out your hair. Make sure that you unravel it all the way at the root, and make sure you pull your hair out of that butterfly lock before you cut it. Because once you have that separation, right, so you have this part and then you have your lock, you can see that your hair is free and protected and you're not going to cut it. When I cut it, I was trying to do this first method I showed you guys of cutting, but then I underestimated the length of my hair. So I ended up cutting a little piece. Now that I have my hair, I'm going to untwist all of my hair, right? Like all of my hair. Now I could do it twist by twist like I started yesterday. I did a couple twists, only a couple. But I think it's better for me to just undo this whole head. So that's what I'm gonna do. Watch me do that. If you guys want to speed past this and play some music, but I'm just gonna separate all of my hair. Now, keep in mind, guys, for my hair, I only kept this in for a week because my scalp is itchy. It's flaking. It's flaking over 1,000 right now. So your girl had to take this out. So guys, I wanted to let you guys know what I use for this product review. This is the Mielle Mangango Oil Pre-Shampoo Condition. It says it pre-conditions to soften and condition the hair before shampooing. This is my first time using this, and you guys will see my review as we go along. I thought everything was good, right? When I'm applying it, it was soft, softening, it was detangling my hair. I didn't need a tool or anything to really detangle my hair. And then when I got in the shower, I got a surprise. So you guys will see that towards the end of this video when I give my final thoughts on this product. So stay tuned to that part of it. But just know your girl was not happy. One thing that I wanted to note about this pre-shampoo conditioner treatment is the fact that I applied this to dry hair. If I was to use this anytime in the future, it would definitely be wet hair. I don't know why, but like when they say clay masks you're supposed to use with dry hair, so many treatments for me work better with wet hair versus dry hair. So yeah, that's just my hair. I don't know what's going on with that, but I did head to the shower to rinse this out, and here are my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I am done applying the pre-shampoo from Mielle Organics, the Mangango Oil Pre-Shampoo Treatment, and my thoughts on this product is I love the consistency of it. It's like, I'm going to show a screenshot or a video clip on the screen, but it's like a clear consistency that reminds me of aloe vera, like aloe vera gel, or the African Pride aloe vera pre-shampoo. It reminds me of that consistency, but not as slimy. And it applies very well to the hair. It almost feels like my hair is being reactivated, like the products that I had on there to moisturize it originally. It feels like that's being reactivated, but it's also adding this type of setting factor to where it sets in, like it's getting deep into the strands. Like I don't know how to describe it. It feels like it's kind of like a detox in a way of, like, you know, bringing those products out of my hair. It's really weird, guys. It's really weird. But it does say it's a preconditioned treatment to soften and condition the hair before shampooing. And if that's the claims, it definitely does that. My hair feels really, really soft. It feels conditioned. As you've seen, as I was applying it, I was removing shed hair. I didn't see any breakage as I was removing hair from my hands, which is a very big plus. Especially, I could tell my ends were like a little drier than my the rest of my hair. So that's why you see me do like this along my ends to kind of facilitate that moisture inside of my ends. But yeah, I'm gonna rate this product. I will have to do a comparison video. Let me know if you guys want that in the comment section down below. Do you want me to do a battle of the pre-shampoos of this featuring African Pride's pre-shampoo? Like I would do one half with this and one half with that. Because with this one, it doesn't say to detangle your hair. It just says to apply directly to the scalp and massage. Do not rinse. Follow up with our mangango oil exfoliating shampoo. So I actually didn't do this product the way I'm supposed to, because it says to apply directly on the scalp and massage, which you see I applied it to the whole entire hair. I hope that's not going to be a bad thing. But yeah, I thought since it's a pre-shampoo, it says precondition treatment to soften and condition the hair before shampooing. So if you put it on your scalp only, how is that going to condition your scalp? Yeah, Maya, you got some explaining to do on that. Monique Rodriguez. I need more information on this, of why it says to apply the scalp and massage, but on the front it says is used to condition and soften the hair before shampooing. So that's why when I read it originally, I actually skimmed through the part directions, because normally pre-shampoos you apply it to the whole, you know, scalp and your hair. So, guys, right now I'm deep conditioning in my cap right now, and your girl is not, I repeat, not a fan of this pre-shampoo as a pre-shampoo of detangling. I am a fan of how soft it makes your hair feel. I am a fan of how conditioned it makes your hair feel, but I am not a fan of this as a pre-shampoo. I'd rather use a clay mask. I'd rather use aloe vera plant. I'd rather use the African Pride Moisture Miracle pre-shampoo. I'd rather use anything else after a protective style than this. This was a disaster. So guys, I'm not even gonna play the rest of this video. Just know your girl is super disappointed in this product. I don't know if it was the mangango shampoo, because that was the exfoliating shampoo that I've never used before, in conjunction with the pre-shampoo treatment. Maybe that combination caused my hair to shed a lot, but my hair shedded in this wash day as if my hair was falling out. Maybe I'm being dramatic because, you know, I am a Virgo and whatnot, and that's just who I am. But I'm not a fan of it. I would never use this product on dry hair at all. I will do another product review of this. Drop that in the comment section below if you want a review of me using this product on wet hair without coming from a protective style. But as far as after protective style, it's either the shampoo, exfoliating shampoo, or it's the pre-shampoo treatment. Now, I'm going to lean towards both in conjunction with each other. They're not really good to use together. That's what I'm going to lean with. But let me know your thoughts on this product down below. And if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.